Hello and welcome to today's reflection. Today we're going to look at just one verse in Luke's Gospel. Luke 18 is our lectionary reading for this morning, and I would like to look at just the first verse in that reading. And in a way, this verse is just an introductory first sentence, a way to introduce what comes next. But I think it's got some real truths in it that we need to hold on to. So Luke 18, verse 1 reads, "Then Jesus told them a parable about their need to pray always and not to lose heart." And I think sometimes we need to remember that we have to pray always and not to lose heart. Sometimes it's easy to go ahead and do things in our own strength. Sometimes we think things are either too big or too small to bother about praying about. Or we're so wrapped up in what we're doing that we forget to bring things to God. But I like the fact that this is a reminder that we need to pray always and not to lose heart. Sometimes we can pray about the same thing for many, many years and feel like we are not being heard. But we're told that God does hear us. In fact, if we read the parable that comes underneath this one verse, it's the story of the unjust judge or the persistent widow. The widow who comes to the judge with her problems, and he only grants her her request just to stop her pestering. And we're told that our Father in heaven is so much bigger and better and more loving than the unjust judge. That our Father in heaven hears us when we pray. We just might not get the answer that we want to hear. So my prayer for us today and my challenge for us today is to bring things before God, to remember to pray always and not to lose heart. Amen.